Do it yourself. Dishwasher repair, appliance, forever. Is your dishwasher not cleaning properly or leaking water? Many common issues can be fixed at home. Here are frequent problems, causes, and simple solutions. Common problems and causes: dishes still dirty, clogged spray arms or dirty filter, water not draining, blocked hose or faulty pump, leaking water, worn gasket or loose hose, not starting, faulty latch or blown fuse, strange noises, debris in pump or bad motor. Top 15 DIY tips. 1. Dirty dishes, clean spray arms and filter. 2. Not draining, clear drain hose and filter. 3. Leaking, check door seal and hoses. 4. Won't start, test door latch and fuse. 5. Noisy, remove debris from pump. 6. Bad smell, clean and run vinegar cycle. 7. White spots, use rinse aid and cleaner. 8. Not filling, inspect inlet valve and float switch. 9. Soap not dispensing, clean dispenser. 10. Long cycles, check thermostat and heater. 11. Stops mid-cycle, test door switch, 12 door won't latch, adjust or replace latch. 13. Water at bottom, clean filter and pump. 14. Rattling dishes, load properly. 15. Not drying, check rinse aid and heating element. Subscribe for insights on repair and installation tips, and stay updated with the latest in the industry. www.applianceforever.ca or call us 647 8344646.